Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to create or make name slip or label in your MS Word file. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to create name slip or label on your Word file, then I will show you simple method to do this. First of all, you have to open your MS Word. After opening the MS Word file, in the top you can see your mailings. Click on these mailings. After that you will find your labels. You have to click on that. You can see address. In this box you have to write, for example, I will write as name, then hit enter. Then I will type as roll number, school name, then address. After typing like this, you can see here option. Just click on this option. You can see product number. You can select 30 per page. After selecting, you can see here details. Just click on this details. You can set the top margin, side margin, label height, label width, vertical pitch. You can set as per your choice. After selecting this, then tap on OK. Then tap on OK again. After that, you can see here new document. Just click on this new document and all your matter will be inserted in your Word page. That's it guys. So in this way you can create or make name slip or label on your MS Word file. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.